Hello and welcome back to Benefits Unlocked, where we uncover nature's most powerful remedies to help you thrive from the inside out. Today, we're diving into a creamy, tangy drink that packs a major punch when it comes to gut health, immunity, and overall well-being. We're talking about kefir. This fermented probiotic beverage might not be as famous as yogurt, but trust me, it deserves a front-row seat in your health routine. So what exactly is kefir? Kefir is a cultured, fermented milk drink that originated centuries ago in the Caucasus Mountains. It's made by combining milk with kefir grains, which are a combination of lactic acid bacteria and yeasts. These grains feed on the natural sugars in milk, creating a slightly sour, fizzy drink that's loaded with beneficial probiotics. And the best part? It's not just limited to dairy. You can now find water kefir and coconut milk kefir for those who are dairy-free. Let's talk probiotics. Kefir is one of the most potent sources of probiotics you can consume. In fact, it contains up to 30 different strains of good bacteria and yeasts, which is significantly more than regular yogurt. These probiotics help restore and balance the gut microbiome, the community of trillions of bacteria that live in your digestive system and affect everything from your immune system to your mood. By drinking kefir regularly, you can promote better digestion, reduce bloating, ease constipation, and even help manage symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Now let's unlock kefir's impact on immunity. Did you know that nearly 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? A healthy gut filled with diverse beneficial bacteria can help your body defend itself against infections, viruses, and inflammation. Kefir not only boosts your immune system with probiotics, but also contains bioactive compounds like peptides and antioxidants that have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. It may help reduce the risk of common colds, flu, and even prevent certain foodborne illnesses. If you're lactose intolerant, you might be surprised to hear that many people who can't tolerate milk can still enjoy kefir. That's because the fermentation process breaks down much of the lactose in milk. Plus, kefir contains the enzyme lactase, which helps your body digest lactose more effectively. But kefir doesn't stop at gut health and immunity. It also supports bone health. It's rich in calcium, vitamin K2, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Vitamin K2 in particular plays a critical role in directing calcium to where it belongs, in your bones and teeth instead of your arteries. This makes kefir a smart choice for aging adults or anyone concerned with maintaining bone density. Let's talk skin. Your skin is a reflection of your internal health, especially your gut. When your digestive system is in balance, your skin tends to be clearer, calmer, and more radiant. The probiotics in kefir can help reduce acne, eczema, and other inflammatory skin conditions by supporting detoxification and reducing systemic inflammation. Some people even apply kefir topically as a natural face mask to calm irritation and rebalance the skin's microbiome. Emerging research in the field of the gut-brain axis shows that our gut health has a direct impact on our brain. Probiotics like those found in kefir can influence neurotransmitters such as serotonin, which affects your mood, appetite, and sleep. Regularly consuming kefir may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, enhance cognitive function, and support better sleep. It's like a natural mood booster in a bottle. If you're watching your weight, kefir may be a valuable ally. It's high in protein, which helps increase feelings of fullness and supports muscle maintenance. The probiotics may also help regulate metabolism and reduce inflammation, making it easier for your body to burn fat more efficiently. And because it helps improve digestion, you're less likely to experience bloating or sluggish elimination, which can make you feel heavier than you actually are. Kefir also supports heart health. The peptides produced during fermentation can help lower blood pressure, and the probiotics may assist in reducing LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol. Its anti-inflammatory effects help protect the lining of the blood vessels, reducing your risk of heart disease. Now, let's talk versatility. Kefir is not only powerful but also incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can drink it straight from the bottle, blend it into smoothies, use it in overnight oats, drizzle it over fruit, or even use it as a base for salad dressings. It has a tart flavor that pairs well with both sweet and savory ingredients, and it's a great way to add gut-loving benefits to your meals without much effort. But like all things, quality matters. When buying kefir, look for brands that contain live and active cultures with no added sugars or artificial flavors. Organic or grass-fed milk kefir tends to offer higher nutritional value. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even make your own kefir at home using kefir grains and milk. It's simple, affordable, and lets you control the fermentation process and flavor. So what's the takeaway? Kefir is a powerhouse probiotic drink that supports your gut, boosts immunity, strengthens bones, balances your mood, and helps you feel your absolute best from the inside out. Whether you're dealing with digestive issues, looking to improve your skin, or simply want a natural way to enhance your overall wellness, kefir is one of the most effective and easy-to-use remedies you can add to your daily routine. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or dietary change, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. Thanks for watching Benefits Unlocked. If you're ready to add kefir to your lifestyle, check out the description box below for top-rated kefir brands and starter kits you can order today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly videos on natural health and wellness. See you next time. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth.